went to a nice max conference.
And now we're just gonna go ahead and take all the skin off the head. Man, this right here is just like a little Ozark. I just sharpened it to a T. You know, this is like a $5 knife, to be real with you. It's sharp. You know, it does the job. But you guys, it's all done. That's kind of bloody. That's balls. I want to start right in the crotch area. We'll go all the way down because I want to save this. So I'm going to actually do a V cut leading into the small of the belly. Then we're going to undress her. And when we undress her, yeah, we're going to have a nice coat. Have my wife clean this up. Have a nice lamb's coat. Let's start. I'll tune you guys in. We'll get her nice and clean. Then we'll go from there when we break down the meat. Let's go.
Yeah, ready.
Okay, here. We're gonna lead right down to the belly. Both sides. Okay, here. Right down to the belly. Nice V cut. Make a nice little round cut around the legs. We're just gonna go ahead and just make ourselves a nice jacket. Alright, let's go. So what we do now is we want to work our thumb around here and just take away, because I'm trying to take this out one clean swoop. Be really careful. Come out here, look at this. Not to tear any of this hide, because this is beautiful stuff. You know? So sometimes I just don't even want to take my knife. I really just want to take my finger. Get that away. Nice, clean attachment. See that? Yeah. None of that bone there. No. Nice tear. Sometimes instead of using my knife, use your finger. It's okay. Ain't gonna bite you. It's like taking off a jacket. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now we just wanna work this skin back, and then we take it out in one piece. You see how I took off the hand? So all we gotta do is pull. Grab this. There we go. Pull it through. Boom. That side's done. Nice. Start to disconnect it. Same thing with this right now. I had to put her down, man. She was ran into the fence. Got started with one of my dogs. Yeah, man, ran into one of the fences. Sadly, got CTE, like essentially spandex. Just suffering. So I decided the best thing for her, so she's gonna be suffering, was to end it at that moment. She'll be forever remembered as a jacket and some broth and a couple other things. Alright, we get back to the scene. We're actually open her up, start taking her apart. Be back in a few moments. Nothing goes to waste. The bones, bone marrow, the dogs love the bones, etc., etc., etc. This is a blessing. The Most High provided. So first we do is we're gonna take off the legs. I like to start the legs. This is easy. Just take it right off. Leg. There we go. We don't want to pierce none of that stuff, because some stuff we don't even want. Some stuff give to the dogs. I'm going to put my knife at a nice angle, going all the way down, and boom, starts hanging. Right? Go with the fun. So that's how I like to start. Another guy, he sees something going on. He's like, man, what the hell going on around here? In fact, we're going to start at the base.
What we do here is go back.
Here, got the legs left. Some good meat right there left. I don't have a sponsor. Bone, you come around that bone, come right off. It's a leg. Same thing over here. The bone. Right here, there you go. Hey, thank you for watching part 1, the breakdown and how to process the meat. Well, part 2 is going to be how do you make a hide. We're going to make it as easy as possible. Just stay tuned and watch it all the way through. Let's get it.
You're going to scrape off any unwanted parts of the hide, meaning the meat, the fat. You want to get off as much as possible, and then you're going to layer tons of salt on it. You may need to use 3 to 5 containers of salt. Salt is very important because it's used as a preservative, so it helps the flesh and everything not rot or get any maggots. The hide is going to naturally want to shrink, so you have to pin down the hide and keep it stretched out as much as possible. So you can use clips, you don't have to use nails. Get creative, whatever you want. Remember, keep stretching and keep pinning, make sure it's nice and secure. Once it's nice and pinned, you're going to add more salt because you want to make sure it's all evenly coated and nice and thick. The more the merrier. Don't be shy. Spread that salt around. Use your hands.
Well, did he do anything? Come on.
After it's nice and salted, you can let it sit for 2 to 3 days. It helps preserve it so it's not going to be rotten away as long as you did enough salt. That way you can make sure you have everything else ready for the next steps. So you want to order your other supplies. You need alum, and you also need laundry detergent, preferably powdered, not liquid. Alright, next step is washing your sheep pelt in warm water and laundry detergent and rinse it out really good, and then you're going to scrape off any additional meat scraps that you find on your soon to be beautiful pelt. A knife works best. Be careful because you don't want to poke any holes, so you got to take your time and be very patient. You want to see as much white as possible. That means you're closer to the right surface area of the pelt. So as you're stretching and pulling it off, that is really good. You want that nice white color. Next, you're gonna fill your barrel or tub with salt and alum in slightly warm water. And you're gonna put your pelt in there and close it for a week. You're gonna stir it several times a day. Remember, several times a day, every day of that week. Next, hang it so it can air dry for a couple days. Sew any holes that you accidentally made while making the hide. Mix egg yolk and water and rub with a paintbrush all over the hide. Once the egg yolk is almost dry, you're going to abrade with a pumice stone to smoothen it out and get that white look, and then you are done. Boom! Look at that beautifulness. So fluffy and soft. You want to make sure all parts of the animal are put to use and nothing is put to waste.
Thank you for tuning in to Pretty Interesting. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.